We are here at the Westbrook train station, Shirley Station anyway, in Westbrook, Connecticut. And today we're taking a look at the Kone EcoDisc elevator. This is elevator number 2 for reference, KSS5 Kone EcoDisc. KSS5 fixtures. Let's take a look up the shaft. You can actually see the EcoDisc motor. Kind of cool, huh? And then for some reason the sensor, you actually can see it's all the way back there. You probably can't really see it, but I can. But let's ride. Let's go up to 2. Let's go out. By the way, call cancel lights up. Let's go get a view of the tracks. It's very open up here. Really, it's open. It's pretty nice. It's a bridge blocking. Sorry about that. All right, let's head back downstairs. One. Let's get our cab view. It's your basic transit-sized elevator, and it's pretty nice. You can see my feet there as the door opens here. All right, let's go back up to 2. Oops. I like that door closed. I'm surprised door close lights up. Really am. There it goes. By the way, here's everything. 2,500 pound capacity. It is 15 people. Today I'm recording on the iPhone direct upload. You guys will like it. So I'm using my Sony TX10. So, iPhone, I think it's going to be pretty good. We'll see what happens. By the way, here's your emergency. Here's your fixtures. Certificate. And that'll be it. There it goes in. That's it.